Welcome to the Advocacy Assembly multilingual training platform for human rights activists, campaigners, and journalists. If you're new to Advocacy Assembly, you may be unsure of how to enroll in a course or even sign up. To sign up to the platform, the first thing you need to do is go to advocacyassembly.org. On the top right-hand side, you will see a sign-in button. Click Sign In. Then you'll see a Sign Up button. Click Sign Up. There you'll be taken to a page where you have to enter your email address, your name, your username, and a password. You'll also need to enter your gender, your country of residence, and your preferred language. Remember that you're able to take courses in English, Arabic, Spanish, and Persian. You can also add any course preference topics that might be of interest to you. Remember that whatever name you register with will actually be what name appears on your course completion certificate. If you would like to change your name on your certificate, what you need to do is email Advocacy Assembly at contact@advocacyassembly.org. After you register, an email will be sent to the email address that you've signed up with, confirming that it really is you. Confirm the email address. After you register and confirm your email address, go to the course you want to enroll in. Click the Enroll button on the top right-hand corner. If you don't click Enroll, you won't register for the course and you won't get past the first video. Make sure that you watch all videos in full. If you skip a video, it may not register that you have actually completed that lesson. That means you won't see a certificate at the end of the course in the dashboard. So where can you find your certificate? Well, at the end of the course, at the very last lesson, you'll see a button at the very bottom that says Dashboard. Click on Dashboard. Here you can see all of the courses you're in the process of taking, or even those that you've completed. Click on Completed. Here you will see all the completed courses, and you will also see your certificates. Click on View Certificate for the course you've just taken. The certificate will then render, and you can click Download. Remember that you can access your dashboard at any time by clicking on your username on the top right-hand corner. If you still have problems with your certificate or enrolling in a course or even signing up to the platform, email us at contact@advocacyassembly.org.